Pickled eggs, part 1. Just recently I've been popping a hole in the end of the eggs, in the blunt end. Doesn't have to be massive, just enough to, you know, open it up a little bit and get into that little void that's in the end where the air's stored for the chick. Basically by doing this, that air should get expelled and the egg come out proper egg shaped, and it should make it easier to peel the eggs. So I'll use a hammer. You're going to love this. Hammer, one of those little things that you get with phones for resetting them. And all I do is, see if I can do this so you can see what I'm doing. I'll try this one. So all I do is put it there, give it a couple of taps, turn it around a bit, and that's enough. That should, in theory, be enough. And then I just carry on and do the whole tray. See if I can do this so you can see it better. There you go. Turn it round, job done. And then we got to go on and do, I'm only going to do another 15 of these because I don't need any more at the moment. The other 15 I can do tomorrow. But then, once they've got to that stage, they go in and get boiled for 10 minutes. And then they get added to the jar with sliced beetroot, cayenne pepper, because I ain't got any chili peppers, and some sugar, demerara sugar. And then leave them for about 3 weeks, if you can. I'm usually into them by about a week's time. But there we go. Pickled eggs, Tim style. Love them or loathe them, I bloody love them.